Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of structures. It is structure is known as a are used to store the heterogeneous data type. Heterogeneous means a different data type. Array stores the homogeneous data type. For example, integer array stores only integer values. Float array stores only set of float values. And the character array stores set of characters. But it is not actually application in a practical. If you think practically, we need to deal a heterogeneous data type per time. If we want to create a record, the record contains a different data type. For example, if you think about the student, okay, what are the things are available? And first, actually, your roll number. Roll number is alphanumeric character. Some colleges to say integer. And your name. Name you have to set up characters. A character array is essential. And your phone number again it is an integer. And if, for example, you want to store your mark, semi float variables, average and total there come into the float variable. So a student's record contain heterogeneous data type. So we need data structure to handle the heterogeneous data type. That is the role of the structure. The structure is used to store the different data types of different types of data. For example, for a student, the name is a string, phone number and roll number are integers. So here name, address, and phone number are those different data type. The structure come into picture. When you want to store heterogeneous data type, the structure come into the picture. The syntax of the structure is given below. Struct is a keyword followed by you have to give a suitable name to the structure. With an open and close parenthesis, you have to declare the data type and variable like declaring in the normal C program. So a data type and member, okay, how to give a semicolon. Now you have data type number one, member two, with similar data type, two member belongs similar data type member one, member two, and semicolon. Okay, then data type member three, data type and so on. So here we declare a data type and member one, data type member two semicolon, data type member three semicolon, data type member four semicolon. Okay, so we have to declare a structure. Actually, the different data type of the structure, member of the structure like this. So this is one of the members of the structure, and we have to close the structure followed by a semicolon. This is a normal. This is a syntax of the structure. In our case, let's name the structure as a student. Okay, we have to go suitable name to the structure. We are creating a structure student. The members of the structure are name, roll number, and phone number. Okay, struct is a keyword. Student is a structure name. Okay, I have a three members for the student. One is roll number, it is an integer. Name, it is a character array of size 30, and phone number, it is an integer. So I declare struct student or open close parenthesis integer roll number, character name of 30, and integer phone number. Close after close parenthesis, I have to give a semicolon. This is a normal way to create a structure. So definition of the declaration of the structure variable: a programmer need to store the roll number, name, and phone number of the three students. For this, a programmer will define a structure of name student and then declare a three variables. Say P1, P2, P3. Okay, when you want to deal with the store the value of the three students, you need a what do you need? You need the structure variable. Okay, structure variable. How to declare a structure variable? Okay, if you want to declare it in the main, you have to give a struct keyword. Student is a structure name and followed by variable P1, P2, P3. So three structure variables. So each variable which contain three members in it: roll number, name, and phone number. Like P1, P2, P3, they contain the field name, roll number, name, and phone number. This is a structure variable declaration. Okay. P1, P2, P3 are the structure variable of the structure student. This declaration will be done in the main function. If you want to declare structure variable in the main function, you have to give a keyword struct followed by structure name and followed by structure variable. It is possible we have to declare a structure variable during the structure definition also. Here, the P1, P2, P3 are the variable of the struct student. Okay, so where we are declaring after the close parenthesis. Okay, before the semicolon, I have given the variable name P1, P2, P3. So these are three variables. These are three variables. They are variable of the structure student. Programmer can also declare a structure variable at the time of defining structure as follows. Okay, while you're defining a structure, you are able to give a structure variable like this. Okay, struct student, integer roll number, character name, integer phone number. We are able to declare a structure like this. Okay, fine. Now we are having three variables. We are able to store the record of the three students. Suppose the programmer want to assign a roll number to the first student. For this, he need to access the roll number of the first student by writing the structure variable name dot field name. Okay, P1 is structure variable name dot field name is the roll number equal to 1. So what we did here, we assign a roll number 1 to the first student. This means that using a dot, okay, dot operator, this means that use dot to use variable in the structure. Okay, to you want to access the structure, access the member using structure variable, you have to use dot operator, structure variable dot member. P1 dot roll number can be understood as a roll number of, okay, structure variable P1. If programmer want to assign a string value to the variable, he will use a string copy function as follows. String copy, here it is a source string, a destination string. Okay, source we are giving value brown, destination, okay, P1 dot name. Likewise, we are able to assign a phone number. Okay, P1 dot phone number equal to, we have to give a phone number also. So in this manner, we are able to allocate the phone number. So this is the first part one. We discuss about what is the structure, how to syntax of the structure, how to declare a member of a structure, how to declare the structure variable, and how to assign a value to the structure variable. Okay, so structure variable we can declare in the main function. The main function we have to give a struct student followed by structure variable. If you want to declare it in the struct definition itself, after a close parenthesis, you will give the structure variable P1, P2, and P3. Okay, followed by a semicolon. So how to assign a value? Structure variable dot. Okay, we have to and member. Okay, member. Okay, P1 is structure variable and roll number is a member, and assign a value. Print a value also we have to use dot operator. So dot operator is used for the structure variable to access its members. Okay, we'll see an example in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching the video.